PSG, Jordan 6 PSGs. Are they still sitting? They're still sitting? Wow. Even for 20% off. Last week they had 30% off. Still sitting. Damn. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are here at the Nike outlet out in East LA, East Los Angeles, pretty close to downtown Los Angeles. So yeah, let's go check it out, you guys. We got one goal today, you guys. Got one goal, looking for heat and looking for deals, you guys. Looking for heat and deals. All right, we are at the Nike outlet, looking for heat and we're looking for deals. But yeah, you guys need to check out this last video. I just stopped by the Shoe Palace. I found so much heat there. Kind of want to say it was like a better experience than hitting up the outlet the last couple times. Man, look at that reseller. But yeah, so yeah, y'all need to check that video out. I'll put a link to it right now because it was that they just had deals that were that good. Deals that were that good. So yeah, let's go check out what we got here, you guys. All right, so they do got that 20%. Yeah, see if we can find anything. See if we can find anything. Nothing standing out right now. The all gray Vapormax, all gray. Oh, got the little purple blue hit. 139. 139 to get that 20% off. The Jordan Pro Tour ones. Oh no, I'm sorry. Jordan 1 Reacts. Jordan 1 Reacts. Going for retail. Going for retail, but get that little 20% off. Okay. Jordan 8 reflectives, man, they got these everywhere. The reflectives, man, they have not been moving. People have been returning them. See them at the outlet all the time. Done with the size 10s, they really didn't have much. Checking the size 11s, man, you see? It's going for retail? Come on now, man. 20% off? Come on now, I seen these hit for $69. It was like $99, 30% off that one time, man. That's, at another outlet, that's crazy. See, one retail for these two? Really? Really? That's just crazy. I could have bought those for... I saw those on sale somewhere. Oh, they still got the PSG, Jordan 6 PSGs. Are they still sitting? They're still sitting? Wow. Even for 20% off. Last week they had 30% off. Still sitting. Damn. These going for retail too, only 20% off? Damn, man, the prices are kind of high today, man. I don't know what's going on here. They still got those, 20% off. Oh, these are interesting, 97s. I haven't seen this colorway. Gold and black. Gold and black, that's interesting. I don't think I'm much of a fan of these, but hey, let me know what you guys think. You guys a fan of that one? Let me know. I'm searching for heat, you guys. I'm searching for heat and searching for deals. And nothing. Look, even these is 129. Man, these been sitting. Searching for heat and deals, but finding nothing. See, these ain't bad. These are not bad. Pegasus 35. Turbos for 120, 125. 125, that's not bad. 20% off. A little under 100. Not bad. Hey, these are the deals and deals I was looking for. Look. That's what's up. $80. That's the cheapest I've ever seen these. Black History Month. Cheapest I've ever seen those. Not bad. Yeah, these you know, these aren't too terrible, but yeah, nobody buying those, dude. Okay. Cheaper. It was cheaper. I don't want to keep saying this, but it was cheaper at the Shoe Palace. That was crazy. $100 for these at Shoe Palace. 120 here. These go for what? $11 less, so it's at $44? $44. These were going for the same. Apparently these were the black versions of the ones that I just showed you. Yeah, apparently one guy I just saw, that one dude who was buying all those shoes, apparently those were it. Apparently those are good for resale. I was talking to a dude who was here a second ago. He said these are decent for resale. That's interesting. Okay, these are some of the steals and some of the deals I've been looking for. $90. I don't think I caught, but that's a pretty legit deal. What was that, like $72, $71? Not bad. Same price. Air Max 2017's been the same price for a while now. 2017, same price. I want to say I saw these at Finish Line or something. Same price, I think. Same price. Not bad. Dang, these on sale everywhere, man. I think I'm gonna have to return mine. Can't sell these. Dang, $9 off of this. What was that, $36? Holy crap, dude, that's reseller central right there. Holy crap. Surprised someone hasn't picked up all these. Yeah, I really don't want to get a truck full of this right now. So I thought about whether I should get some. I pretty much got a full size run. I should get a few. And this is guaranteed money, but it's they don't sell super well. Or they do, but there's so many different colors. You know, you'd have to wait for this to sell, and it might take time. But yeah, if you're a big time reseller, man, you could just pretty much get all of these and make 20, 25 bucks off of each one. Not bad. They're all 20% off, you guys. All 20% off, all the Hirachis. Oh, I forgot to mention, not the black ones, but all these are 20% off. All good for resale. I bet you this is really good for resale, the red one. For some reason, I don't know. Maybe this is the shoe that other dude bought a crap ton of, because yeah, there's all kinds of profit on that. And these is not moving, man. Y'all need to throw those down to like 79 or something. Not moving. Still kind of pricey. MSRP is $230 though, so but still too much. $135. They've been $135 for a while now. Oh, I just got a pair 10 minutes ago. And this is definitely the steals and deals I was thinking about. Looking for steals and deals. This is definitely what I was talking about, guys. This is the first time I've seen this at this outlet. And the last outlet I just went to, they had these for full price, I think. I forgot which outlet that was, but yeah, they had it for full price. So Ontario or something. Yeah, interesting. You guys, look.
I'll get rid of you. You'll be
Smallest size I got, it's 11.5. Bigger size, all gone. The women's section, I'm a big fan of these. These real stick out. Look nice. I still don't understand this. It's like a regular Air Max, and then they just put a big thing over it. I don't know. I don't understand that. It's probably why it's on sale. Okay, 20% off now, look. They sound like crazy with the 20% off. Damn, nice. Okay, these are nice. These are nice, only $42. They only got a couple of size 5s left. But apparently my kid's too cool for that one. He doesn't like that one. He does not like that one. What a shame. I saw these on clearance. I only saw one pair there. But yeah, we had an opportunity to buy this for like 28 bucks, and my kid didn't like them. They're a little loud, but whatever. No steals, no deals in the kids section. No steals, just a bunch of cleats. Yeah, but no steals and no deals. Don't see any. Yeah, this is going for retail 20% off? Damn, that's so bad. All right, we're leaving with nothing, you guys. Leaving with nothing. Never a great trip when we leave with nothing, but hey, I got to check out the deals, you guys. I'll check out the deals, get some content for you guys. Never a waste of time. It's always worth it. Always worth it. All right, guys, I don't know if they raised the prices because of that, because of the MVP deals and the fact that you get, a bunch of us sneakerheads got them coupons or whatever for, 25 off of 50 or 50 off 100. I don't know. But I was looking for steals and deals and found nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. On the kids' shoes, they had some heat. But yeah, I was looking for steals, looking for deals, but yeah, nothing. So I don't know what to say. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you make comments. Let me know what you guys think about some of the stuff you guys saw today. Yeah, you guys know I'm always constantly throwing up content. So, I got at least 55, 60 videos online for you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys catch all that old stuff as well. And until the next one, peace out, you guys.